So this is cloves. We talked about it last night and I did a video on it last night and say, guys, soak this one from the night before and drink it the next day. Yes. Now, I drink my one yesterday, today, and trust me, I'm gonna tell you something, guys. It's amazing. I could do the research for you right now and show you. I did the research. I have it somewhere there. The benefit behind cloves water is amazing, and I would encourage you to do this one at home. All right, so we're gonna do this one tonight again. So what I normally just simply rinse it off a little bit. Some people say, oh, we don't rinse it, but I'm always rinsing. Yeah. All right. So roughly about a teaspoon of the cloves into the cup. All right. And then we put some water in it. All right. And then cover it. Leave it in the kitchen, and then you want to drink it tomorrow. You can drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Depends on your immune system. If you can drink cold stuff in the morning. For me, I got no problem drinking this in the morning. It is amazing. All right. And you guys can also do your own research on it. Cloves water is amazing to drink this for 10 working days or for a week, even up to 5 working days. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to go to 5 days with it. So I did 1 day, and tomorrow we make 2 days. I'm doing this one for. All right. Yeah, man. So the cloves is amazing. It helps to clear out your gut. A lot of people don't believe in these things, but a lot of people know about these things. If you're a person who do your research, they will know. It makes breath problem if you're a person who smoke. This is something I would encourage you to drink to get rid of certain kind of breath scent and all that stuff. There's a lot of stuff about cloves. It's good for your teeth, and if you drink this a lot, it will help to get rid of a lot of stuff out of your gut. Big up yourself, Eros. Thank you so much. So my advice for you, this is going to be the second night I'm in it, and tomorrow night we will be doing it again to make it third night. But give it a try for your own self and see. All right, just some water with the cloves, soak it. Rest, big up yourself. There's some cloves water, soak overnight. Leave it in the, don't put it in the fridge. Just leave it in the kitchen like this. I just leave my one like this, and I drink it this morning. Strain it and drink it. It was amazing. And I tell you something, it keep me for the whole day healthy and refreshing. Do the same thing at home. And these are very easy little recipes where you guys can do at home. It doesn't complicated, and where you're gonna have to cook and where you have to do different things. It promotes a little bit of weight loss, but it's more good for the gut, and it's also good for very good for like if you have like, what do you call that one again, certain kind of I don't quite remember the name of it, to be honest with you, but it's got a lot of benefit. But there's one thing I know about it where it's really good for is bacteria in your gut. All right, it's very good for it, this one. Some people use it for the ear. Lots of people use it for the ear. Lots of people use it for different things. But you can try it for yourself and see. All right, good for information. Good with information also. So, but there's a lot more things towards it. But this is just another tips and ideas from Chef Ricardo I'm giving you guys, what you can do at home, because sometimes you need to drink these things like this, not cook it. You need to, or put it into boiling water. Sometimes you need to drink it naturally like this, and you can also eat the seeds to get a lot more of the benefit of it. All right, if that makes sense to you guys. And it's cooking and more. Let me go to my right now and oh, you got cloves in your cupboard. All right, good vibes. Yeah, man, this one very good, very good, guys. And I give you this one again. You guys can also do. You can drink it naturally like this one. So, guys, you get 3 healthy recipes from Chef Ricardo tonight again. I did it last night, these 2, just to show you guys what you guys can do. Venice, very family. Thank you so much, Jacob Williams. Yes, Chef Ricardo. Yes, thank you, Chef. You're welcome. Thank you so much, guys. All right, breaking news from Chef Ricardo this evening. Again, we are back in the kitchen. It doesn't go anywhere. We still have it right here. Lots of people still asking the question, where can we get it? You can get it online. All right, go right there and get yourself one and share the love. As I said, guys, when you get the book, you need to use this page. Write down the ingredients. Write down the ingredients. All right, there's a bit so you can write again. Come around to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are ingredients. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ingredients. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. About 30 ingredients right here can hold in the book. So you get the book, you write down some of the ingredients every night with Chef Ricardo, and you have them. You can always go back. Yes, Amazon. You can get it on Amazon. Sharon, thank you so much. Good night, Chef Ricardo. Natural remedy. It is living more than longer life. 100%. I learned that from an 87-year-old lady was telling me the other day. She's drinking Bay natural stuff, guys. I couldn't believe. 87, still fit and healthy, same way. Giving God thanks. Mix up this big buckle of naturals. The other day I was making juice and I bring it to them. When I was cooking all of those natural food and natural juice and all those things, it's amazing to know that, you know what I mean? Yeah, keep the body healthy, keep you going. Yeah, most people not gonna be on our term what we are doing on a healthy stuff. But I would say to you guys, anyone who are doing healthy things on YouTube, trust me, support, because it makes a difference. Jen almost closed the plane door now. I almost closed the plane door. You know what I mean? But anyway, welcome. One of my cabin crew is late. But anyway, welcome. All right. Yeah. I have to stick to cotton. Okay, discuss. All right. All right. Some people may have to eat different kind of food because there's different kind of health issue, which we all know. All right. Yeah, we almost close the plane door. You're very lucky you catch the plane door and it's open up. All right. Yeah. So some people have to eat certain kind of food. Certain people have to eat meat. Certain people have to eat this because they're allergic to it, or they cannot have it because if they have it, it may make them feel sick. There's a lot of different kind of things. But as much as you can, try and consume a lot of healthy stuff in your diet. All right. Yeah, because the plane almost take off. All right. Breaking news again. Get yourself one of these books. It's on Amazon. Go to my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and support Chef Ricardo, guys. If you feel free and if you say to yourself, you know,